So today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make these daisies. They're actually quite simple. First part, to start, we're going to make this piece here. That's how you start it. So to do that, first thing you'll need is about an arm's length of fishing line. If any of you have made a mask before, this will look familiar. You're starting out in the same way. Put one bead on each line. And then one bead down the middle, or to share both lines. Oops, there we go. Two, one. Two, one. It's Laid Back Luke's Ultra Miami set playing in the background, by the way. There, so this is how we start. Like I said, if you've made a mask before, this will look familiar. So we're going to tie off the end. Now when you're tying knots in fishing line, you should always lick it or keep it moist, because the knots build up friction and then your line heats up and it can snap. So we're going back the other way now. Oh. Okay, so the top piece is done. We'll go back that same way with our other leg, other line. This is the first tutorial I've ever made, by the way, so it's not the greatest quality. Okay, so we're done this piece. tie it off. Remembering to keep your line wet. There, that piece is done. Next step is to make the petals. 4 of these petals. And you're going to start these off the same way that we started off the last piece. 2. 1. So it should look like this. And tie it off. Okay, so once you have this piece, you take this line and go back that way. Now we started our knot right here, and that's where we're going to end with both lines. So I'm here, and I'm going to go back. Now the same with this piece. So it should look like this. We're going to add another piece right here. There, both sides end where the knot is. Tie it and you're done.
You're locked into Mix Mash Radio with me, Laid Back Luke. This is a live recording of my set at Ultra Miami last weekend. I love and adore the worldwide stage.
There, you have to do this 4 times. I've already done that. So now, all we have to do is put it together, just like this. Some more line. Now, we're going to tie, all you need to worry about is these 4 pieces. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Just tying these together. Oops, wrong way. See how it's like this. This line's going to go through your middle piece. So it should look like this. And we're just going to tie it. There. Now do the same thing on the other side. And that's it. Now you can attach it to cuff, whatever you want. And if you can master this, you can master a lot of things. You can make stuff like this. It's all the same idea. Or this. That's it. That's my tutorial for daisies.